All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic? We're going to talk about Hallmaster's 24 by 16 inch, 1,000 pound capacity solid deck hardwood dolly. Now, I own the other two types of dollies that Harbor Freight sells. Now, at $24.99, even with the discount, let's say it's around $20. Out at the club, a friend of mine out there, he picked one up. It was on sale, I guess, or through one of their hot deal sales for around $15. So, you might want to wait. But I really like this one, and in particular what I like about this the most over the other two, and I'm going to show you a picture here just so you get an idea. Let me show you a picture of the other two that I have. Okay, so you see I got the steel framed one, and I have the other one which does not have that solid deck piece on here of what they say is hardwood. Now, is it really hardwood? I don't know. It's not real soft wood, but I don't know if I classify it as hardwood, but it's very doable for the DIYer or just to have around the garage at home. But one of the things I liked the most about this is, like I said, that solid decking, because on the steel one, you can see where I put my own 3/4 inch plywood, decking on there, and then put the drill press on top of it. This, you don't have to go through all of that to do, and it comes in very handy. It doesn't take up that much room. It's got a handle right here on it. It's easy just to pick up. It's not that heavy and move around, and eventually you're going to need one of these. So I would tell you, when you can, pick one up, especially if they're on sale. It'd be well worth the $15, $16, $17 or whatever it is when it's on sale. Or if you got the coupon and you're really in a need for it, getting it at $20 still isn't that bad. Okay, so one of the remarks in the forum when I posted this is, well, what's the finish like on it? I don't know. I don't really care about the finish on it. It's a dolly and it's used for moving heavier objects around, so I'm not too concerned about the finish. Now, the casters are okay. I wouldn't tell you they're the best quality in the world, but they're okay. Now, what I like about these is, if you look, they're bolted in, so this is easy to change out if one goes bad on you, and they sell replacement casters, each out at Harbor Freight. So I like the idea of being able to replace them quickly and easily if I have to, rather than being, welded on or permanently affixed. Does it come with locking wheels? No, these are all free 360-degree wheels, so there's no locking wheels on them. Out at the club, what did the guy use it for? I put, mine, like I said, on the one that I have, where I put the decking on it, a drill press. He put a smoke cooker on his, wheels it around the front of his yard when he's using it and so forth. Lots of different uses. I mean, you could move dryers, you can move washing machines, you can do all kinds of stuff. Eventually, you're going to wish you had one, like I said, because they do come in handy when you need them. Do I currently have this one? No, out at the club, they bought it. What I currently have is the steel frame one, and I put my own real thick 3/4 inch, plywood on top of it. It works great. There's nothing wrong with that one if you go that route. Probably going to cost you a little bit more to go through what I did. I do like it, but this is, the next best thing, because like I said, it already has the solid decking on there. If you're going to put a drill press on it, you just set it right on top of there and you're good to go. So those are just my thoughts. Anyway, let's see if there's any other questions here. Overall, I mean, I give this kind of a 2 thumbs up rating. I mean, because of the solid decking and the ease of swapping out these wheels if one ever got damaged. It just comes in, like I said, really handy. I don't know. I mean, I think it's one of their better dollies that they're selling. So if you have any other thoughts or you own one, drop in the comment below. Let me know. I hope you click subscribe. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos. I'll keep bringing them to you as the club keeps buying stuff from Harbor Freight. We do hit Lowe's once in a while and Home Depot, but a lot of times we're always experimenting with the stuff out at Harbor Freight. Not everything out there is junk, because somebody made the comment in the forum, well, you get what you pay for when you go to Harbor Freight. Yes and no. I mean, some of the products, I agree, aren't that good, but there are a lot of very good products out there that are useful for the price. And I think this is one of them. If you can get it below 20 bucks, I would tell you, like I said, you're going to need it eventually. All right, folks, you have a great day. I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.